welcome back to Tech Wonders HD. Today we're looking into an innovative concept that's set to transform vehicle suspension systems: neodymium magnets. Imagine a world where traditional shock absorbers, with their steel coils and liquid-filled pistons, are a thing of the past. This revolutionary approach harnesses the power of neodymium magnets, offering a solution that's both durable and efficient. At the core of this innovation lies the utilization of magnetic properties. Picture this: instead of traditional mechanical components, we're tapping into the power of magnets to enhance vehicle performance and comfort. And not just any magnets, we're talking about rare earth magnets, specifically neodymium. Renowned for their exceptional strength and durability, these magnets are the driving force behind this technological leap forward. By harnessing the magnetic prowess of neodymium, we're paving the way for smoother rides, improved handling, and enhanced stability on the road. It's a game changer in the world of automotive engineering. Traditional shock absorbers are being replaced with a cutting-edge assembly of neodymium magnets. It's a transformative shift from mechanical to magnetic, revolutionizing the way vehicles handle the road ahead. But it doesn't stop there. Inside a tightly packed cylinder, these magnets are strategically arranged, immersed in coolants to maintain optimal performance. This innovative design ensures that temperature rise is kept in check, guaranteeing longevity and reliability. And here's where the magic happens. As the vehicle encounters bumps and dips along the road, these neodymium magnets spring into action, generating a powerful repulsive force. This not only resists the impact but also provides a cushioning effect, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride for passengers. It's a breakthrough in automotive engineering, combining the strength of neodymium magnets with smart design principles to redefine the driving experience. Say goodbye to jolts and discomfort with neodymium magnets. The road ahead is smoother than ever. In the realm of neodymium magnets, variety reigns supreme. With different magnetic strengths and temperature ranges available in the market, there's a magnet for every application. From high-powered magnets for heavy-duty vehicles to temperature-resistant options for extreme conditions, the options are endless. This diversity paves the way for customizability like never before. Manufacturers can fine-tune shock absorbers to suit the specific needs of different vehicle types. Whether it's a compact city car or a rugged off-road vehicle, there's a neodymium magnet solution to optimize performance and comfort. Imagine a world where every vehicle is equipped with a suspension system tailored to its unique requirements. Thanks to the versatility of neodymium magnets, that world is within reach. It's a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of modern engineering. By harnessing the full spectrum of neodymium magnets, we're not just enhancing vehicles, we're revolutionizing the way they move. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Firstly, it's essential to understand the difference between shock absorbers and struts. Shock absorbers are standalone components that dampen the movement of the vehicle's suspension, while struts combine a shock absorber with other suspension components into one unit. This difference in structure can impact performance and maintenance. Now, why do conventional shock absorbers and struts fail, especially on rough roads? The answer lies in their design limitations. Traditional components can wear out over time due to constant exposure to road vibrations, potholes, and other obstacles. This wear and tear can lead to decreased performance, resulting in a less comfortable ride and compromised safety. Common reasons for replacement include worn-out components, leaking fluid, or noticeable changes in ride quality. But here's where neodymium-based shock absorbers shine. They offer durability and reliability, minimizing the need for frequent replacements. Plus, the potential for upgrading ride quality is unmatched, thanks to the advanced technology and customization options available. In essence, while conventional shock absorbers and struts have their limitations, neodymium-based alternatives represent a leap forward in automotive engineering. With improved durability, performance, and ride comfort, they're setting a new standard for suspension systems. At the heart of a shock absorber lies a telescopic cylinder, a crucial component responsible for dampening the movement of the vehicle's suspension. This cylinder houses the mechanisms that control the compression and extension strokes, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Now, shock absorbers come in two main types: single-cylinder and double-cylinder. The single-cylinder type, often found in sports cars, boasts simplicity and ease of tuning. On the other hand, the double-cylinder type, Prevalent in passenger cars, offers greater flexibility in suspension length, and is ideal for navigating rough terrains. But what about the damping force generated during compression and extension strokes? This force is the key to absorbing the energy transferred from the springs, effectively reducing the vehicle's bounce and sway. In a shock absorber, both types utilize piston and valve mechanisms to produce damping force, ensuring a controlled and comfortable ride. In summary, the structure of shock absorbers is a marvel of engineering, with telescopic cylinders, piston valves, and intricate mechanisms working in harmony to deliver a smooth and stable ride. Whether it's the simplicity of single-cylinder type or the versatility of double-cylinder type, these components play a vital role in enhancing the driving experience. As we come to the end of our journey, let's recap the highlights of our exploration into neodymium magnets and their role in revolutionizing vehicle suspension systems. We've uncovered the potential of neodymium magnets to transform the way we drive, replacing conventional shock absorbers with innovative solutions that offer durability, customization, and enhanced performance. From their magnetic properties to their diverse range, neodymium magnets have proven to be a game-changer in automotive engineering, promising smoother rides, improved handling, and greater comfort for passengers. But our journey doesn't end here. We encourage you to delve deeper into the world of technology, to explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Stay tuned to Tech Wanderers HD for more innovative content and exciting discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep wondering and embracing the wonders of technology, and we hope to see you next time.